Alright everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. And this is what my counter looks like right now. I'm using these special clips. I forgot the name of them. If you want the name of them, just let me know. But they help keep the tile level right here. And then I still use the spacers to keep it because these are only 1/8. And I want to use a little bit bigger, so I use these instead. Or actually, these are like 1/16. I don't know, they're very skinny. So I use these instead. So I still use the spacers there, which help with spacing. But I use these over here to make sure that my counter comes out even. I did the same thing on this side, and the counter came out even, except on the end. I have a little bit of a slope because I had nothing to brace it to. And from the weight, it kind of sagged down a little bit. So as you can see on this side, like I said, I did it similar, and that's what I'm going to do on this side. So I have made my cutout for my Frigidaire cooktop, so that's going on. The wires are run through there, as you could see. I ran 6-gauge wire through, through my walls, through my ceiling. I ran 6-gauge wire and with a ground. So that should be good. I got to ground that to the box and connect those wires when I get a chance. Obviously, when this dries. I just got this in last night. I do recommend, obviously, pre-cutting everything before you do it because the way the glue dries and stuff, you want to have everything pre-cut before you do it. So that's what I did. I have everything. Lined it all up, and then I lined it up, and then that's it. And then I just cemented it on. I used large format tile, thin set, like mortar. That's what I used, large tile mortar. And I used that to put down, and I used 1/2-inch gaps, with my trowel. 1/2-inch trowel I used to spread apart because these tiles are very heavy, so they recommend 1/2-inch or even larger than that, but I didn't have anything larger, so I only have 1/2-inch. That's what I did, and it should work. 1/2-inch is for 24 by 24. These are 18 by 30, so it kind of should work. It's almost the same square, inches. So it looks all dark because it's drying. As you can see, yours is going to look dark as mine. The color is going to come out, and it's going to look light, just like this one over here, where it looks nice and light. You are gonna get that going, but it takes about almost 48 hours for that because these are pretty big tile and you used 1/2-inch, so it takes a little bit longer to dry. So I would wait 48 hours before messing with any of this, and then you can go ahead and grout it up, install your I would grout it first, and then I can install my cooktop, and you guys can see me installing that when I get a chance. I didn't get to do a video on me installing these because I already did a video when I installed the one over here. You could see that before. I did that like last year probably, honestly. But you can watch that video and watch me laying it down and see how easy it is, and you can do it at your house the same way, and it comes out really nice. This is great for a basement and stuff. I wouldn't recommend this for your main kitchen if you like to cook and have people that come over a lot. I would do something else, but for a basement, this is great. Save you thousands of dollars. Do your own countertop. I got nice granite. It's sealed. I gotta keep, you should keep sealing it if you're going to use it in the kitchen because what's it called? You should make sure that you use it in the kitchen because you're going to be using it with liquids and stuff like that. You know what I mean? And all kind of drinks, and you don't want anything spilling on it and getting it all messed up. So. So that's about it. I just want to show you an update on that and what it should come out to. I still got to do the fronts on here as well. As you can see, I have my fronts. I have my fronts on here as well. Right there, see, it looks pretty nice. Going all the way across, see it. So I leveled it out. I think it looks pretty nice from far away. It looks really nice. That's what I got, and that's kind of what I'm gonna do on this side. So it's gonna match up and look really nice. So I'm gonna do that a little bit later though, because I want to get my cooktop installed and start cooking because I don't have any way to cook down here except my Whirlpool convection oven that I got / microwave combo. If you want to see reviews on this, I put reviews of this up as well. You can see my other videos and see if this microwave works out for you, and if you like it, it'd be cool. So that's it, and so that's just the update on that. We're gonna keep going. Thank you for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. Any questions or comments, post them down below. I would love to know. Subscribe to my channel and join me on my review adventure of everything pretty much that I do and I review. Between appliances and my saltwater tank that you guys could see also, because I do reviews about when I started my saltwater tank a couple months ago. So I'll help you out with that, and that's it. Enjoy, everybody. Be safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Alright, so as you can see, I got my granite installed. I got the tile installed. Did all the cutouts. It's been 48 hours. So should be good to go. Should be good, nice and strong. So these are the levelers that I used. This is the kit that I got right here, just to show you. This is the box it comes in. So that's the box that it comes in. It's called the Ruby Tile Level Quick Kit, I guess, whatever. So that's what I got. These are the instructions if you want to read the back and see how simple it is. There you go. So I tried these. They seem to work pretty good. They work for big tile because you're going to have, you know, sagging tile when it's really big, and it's tough to, you know, mess with it when it's really heavy and big already when you lay it down. So I used this leveling system to try it out, and it seemed to work in most of the spots. The only place it didn't work was right here. Right here, I tried to put one on, and the tile is so bowed that it actually broke this. It broke the leveler, so it wouldn't level that. So that's why you're going to put in the grout to try to hide the leveling anyway, so it is what it is. But that's kind of what it looks like, and that's it. And you use that little tool. You just go like that. I don't know if I already showed you, but whatever. You just use this little tool right here, go like this, and you pull it right up, and it makes it nice and even. If you pull it too hard and the tile is very strong, then it just is going to break on you, so that kind of stinks. So mine's already been dried. I put my mortar down. I used large tile mortar for this, 1/2-inch size, as I said before. And so now everything's glued. So I gotta break these all out, and then I gotta fill in my grout line. And this is how simple it is to do it. I just grab a rubber mallet, and all you do is just tap it, and it breaks. See? Now, you do want to hit it in the direction of the grout line. That's what they recommend, hitting it in the direction of the grout line to break it properly. And then what you do is just hammer them off. But okay. Oh. Okay. All right. What's cool also is with this system, you just pull it out and you can reuse this again. This part you can reuse this part, but this part you have to right here. This part right here snaps off, so you have to throw it in the garbage. So this is what it looks like. So that you throw in the garbage. But these you can keep, pull them out just like that, and then use them again. And then you just got to buy replacements of those, the bottom part. Oops. So that's all we're going to do. Take that out. That's it. That's how easy the system is. You cut that out. I got my grout ready to go. Here's my grout. We're going to grout next. This is the kind of grout I'm using. Linen pre-mixed grout is what I'm going to use. Simple grout it's called. I mean, it's pretty easy to use. You just put it in. I have a lot left, so hopefully this works. So I'm gonna pop that in. You should use a float to put it in. I don't have a float, so I'm just going to use a spackle knife to put mine in. It's going to take a lot longer. It is what it is, you know what I mean? So we're going to do that next, and we're going to get that installed and see how it looks. I'm going to go like this so you can get an idea from the top. See, this is without grout. So that's what it looks like without grout. There's all the spacing in there. And we're going to fill in those grout lines and make everything look sexy. All right? So that's next. We're going to do that, and I'm going to see you in the next video. All right? Thanks. Bye-bye.